Okay, object pronoun word order. How do you know where to put the direct objects in a sentence? So both direct and indirect object pronouns can either be placed before the conjugated verb or attached to the end of an infinitive verb. For example, you can say, Ti posso aiutare? Can I help you? So we put it before the verb, ti posso, before the conjugated verb. So ti posso aiutare? Can I help you? Or you can say posso aiutarti? Can I help you? Okay, so here we're attaching it to the end of the infinitive verb. So you chop off the last E here and you attach the indirect object pronoun or the direct object pronoun, I guess, in this case. So in this case, we are using the direct object pronoun, right? So another example, non lo vuole mangiare. He doesn't want to eat it. So we put it before the conjugated verb, vuole. Non lo vuole mangiare. Or you can say, non vuole mangiarlo. He doesn't want to eat it. Okay, so we either put it before the conjugated verb or we take off the E and we attach it to the end of the infinitive. Okay, so the end of the infinitive here. So these are the direct object pronouns I've used here. Now let's look at the indirect object pronouns. Lei puoi rispondere? Can you respond to her? So we put it again before the conjugated verb. Lei puoi rispondere? Or you can say puoi risponderle? Can you respond to her? It's the exact same thing. So we're just we're chopping off the E and we're attaching it to the end of the infinitive. Okay? For lo and la, if a word starts with a vowel or a silent H, you can replace the O or A with an apostrophe. When using a direct object pronoun before the auxiliary verb avere, you must change the ending of the past participle to match the direct object in gender and number. Okay, so we have some examples here. Okay, so did you see it? If it is masculine, we're assuming. Lo hai visto? Okay, so you can say lo hai visto. Or you can say l'hai visto. So you see how the ending, the O, okay, is going to correspond with lo. And because it's either lo or la, you can replace the O or A with an apostrophe. So the lo becomes l'hai, okay, L apostrophe H-A-I, visto. Okay, if it's feminine, did you see it? If it's feminine, we have la hai vista, becomes l'hai vista. Okay, so it's the same thing, L apostrophe, and then the A here, the A corresponds with la. Did you see them? Masculine plural would be li hai visti. Okay, so visti, so that corresponds with masculine plural, but you cannot use an apostrophe. So you cannot replace li I with lai, only if it's lo or la. Okay, and our last example here, did you see them? A feminine plural would be le hai viste. Okay, so you can see viste, the E here corresponds with le, but again, you cannot use an apostrophe. Okay, so it just remains like that, le hai viste. Okay, so I just wanted to make you aware of that, so that you can say that, because most people do that, but you can also just say like that if you want to, lo hai visto, but l'hai visto is very common. Okay, but again, you cannot use the apostrophe with li or le.